Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Mechanical energy dissipated by friction is a classic physics challenge that we can solve quickly by looking at the work done by non-conservative forces. The mechanical energy dissipated by friction is equal to the work done by the frictional force as the block slides across the table. We need to find the specific variables involved. If the friction force has a constant magnitude, the work is simply the force multiplied by the total distance traveled. This relationship allows us to calculate the energy loss directly. Thus, choices B and D provide the force and distance needed for our calculation. You just mastered this energy problem by connecting force to work. Well done! Options B and D are correct. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and always trust given variables.